Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today we're going to make this card. It says life is better with friends, and it just has a cute little bunny and a raccoon with some grass, and they're flying kites, and it is a top fold card. I thought it was really cute, and I thought that I would make one with you guys so you guys can tag along and see how we do this. So I'm just going to put that there so I can see it. And I've already attached the pink cardstock to the base of my card. This is an A2 sized card, so it started out as an 8.5 by 11. I actually cut it at 4 1/4 and then scored it at 5 1/2, fold it down, and it becomes an A2 sized card, which means it's 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. This is cut at 5 1/4 by 4, and I just put it right centered on the top. And then I'm going to also put some grass here at the bottom, and to get this grass I used these scissors that are kind of fun, that has lots of different blades, and you just cut almost down to the bottom of the grass. And this is just about a 1/2 inch by about 4 inches. It is totally whatever you want it to be. And you could do this if you just had one pair of scissors too, but I happen to have these, so I'm going to use them. And before I glue this down, I am going to do a little bit of stamping so that my little guys are behind the grass. And I'm going to use the same guys I used on the first card. So I'm going to use the raccoon. And where is my block? Here it is. And my black ink. And I have him positioned just about here, so I'm just going to put him right there like that. And then I have my bunny right over here like that. And then I want to use the kite, and I'm not going to use a string because I'll draw those on. So I put one kite kind of flying over this way, and then I put one kite flying the opposite way. And then I used the little bee, which is adorable. And I just stamped him in here randomly. Just like that. And that's all the stamping I did. Oh no, that's wrong. I did the life is better with friends. I need that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put it down here about where I want it, and it will kind of make sure that it's straight on its own, and then I can just pick it up and I know that it's on the block straight. And now I'm just going to kind of line it up with the card and try to get it straight and hope that I do. Not too shabby. And I need to clean these stamps off before I put it away, but I'm not going to take the time to do that with you guys right now. Okay, so once I have my stamping done, I will go ahead and put my stamps in here so I'll know that I'm done with them for now. And I'm going to color. So I left out my colors that I used on the first card, and I'm going to get a scrap piece of paper just to make sure that I'm starting with the lightest. Okay, so this one is the lightest, and I'm going to do the raccoon in the lightest color first. And one thing that's kind of cool about alcohol markers is that you can color on other colors. Like I'm coloring on pink cardstock, but it totally covers up the pink. So I'm just coloring him, and I'm going to take my pink and color his ears. I'm going to go ahead and color the bunny's ear too while I have my pink out. And I take the lightest gray and go over the pink just because I like it better that way. And now I'm going to take the darkest gray and I'm going to do his eyes. And I'm going to do his tail, the stripes in his tail. And then I'm going to take the medium gray and do the other stripes in his tail. And I'm going to do some like highlighting. Then I'll take the lightest one again and just kind of blend that in a little. It's not, I'm not doing too much. I mean, he's a little small little critter, and I'm sure you could go all out with him. But I'm just kind of making it quick and easy. Just really cute. And then the bunny, I'm kind of doing it the same way. I think this might be the medium gray, so I'll just start with the medium gray on the bunny, and then I'll go in with the darker gray. And my puppies are asleep in the other room. They're getting so big. I think this card is super cute. I love the critters. And this is a set, goodness, I didn't even tell you, it's Fly a Kite by Hello Bluebird. Hello Bluebird makes some really cute sets. And the alcohol markers that I'm using are called Fine Color. I got them off of Etsy. I think I've seen them on Amazon as well. There we go. Whoops, didn't put the right lid on there. And then I'm going to put this little cottontail on him, but first I'm going to go ahead and add the grass. So I'm just putting glue on the bottom of this grass. You know what I just thought would be really cute too is some flowers. If you wanted to add some flowers to the card, that would be adorable. And I'm not really sure where I want this, so I'm kind of playing a little bit. There, I like that better. So make it go a little lower, just, there we go. That's so cute. If I say so myself, huh? And put some glue on his little tail and put this big old pom-pom. I don't have any smaller ones. A smaller one might be a little less obnoxious, but you know, go big or go home, right? I'm going to color this little bumblebee. And before I add stickles, I'm going to take my pen and draw strings from the kite down to the little critters. So I'm just gonna do it however I feel like, and I'm going to like put some fun into it, and then I'm going to stop it here and pick it up here and then make it kind of curly Q here, and then I'll do the same kind of thing from this one. Oops. That wasn't a very smooth transition. So just curlicue it however you want to make it fun. And then I used stickles to color these guys. So on one of them I used turquoise and purple, and the other one I used pink and white. So I'm just going to go in here with this blue turquoisey color. And I'm just doing a left and a right panel. And again, this can be colored however you want. I just liked the glitter. And then I also did 2 of the kite string things blue, and then one of them purple. Or I think I did the other one the opposite, but it doesn't matter. However you want to do it. I love this purple color. This is called lavender, I think. Let me just double check, yeah. And I can tell you what that blue one was here too, in case you're wondering. That's called turquoise. So lavender and turquoise for these. And then for the other one, I did this pink called hibiscus. And then I did this one called unicorn, and it's just a pretty clear, sparkly one. And then I forgot to do one of those in pink, so I'll have to get one and do it in pink. And then I also put this in the bumblebee's wings. And let me get that pink again so I can put it right here. And then finally, I took my black pen and went over their little features again, just to make sure that they pop out. So his little eyes, and his little eyes, and his nose, his mouth, and then his little bandit eyes. I did that too. And there we go. So there's the card. Hope that you guys like it, and I hope that this gave you some inspiration so that you can try it too. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. And I'm sure hoping you guys could see that. Yes, I think so. All right, thanks, guys.